Alright, so when we're doing a pipe on our shake, we can do the sandwich method. So what you're going to do is you're going to first find your hole where your pipe is. Go ahead and cut around that pipe. Then take our caulking. Go ahead and put caulking around that pipe. Then bring my pipe jack over the top into that caulking. Then we can come back with either a full panel or a partial panel as long as it covers my pipe jack. Then we're going to go ahead and cut that out, and we're going to sandwich the pipe jack into that panel. Just like so. Then we'll come back and just fasten the panels as normal. Then we'll go ahead and caulk around that pipe, and then use our touch-up kit to go ahead and put the sprinkles on that caulking. And then you can finish it off with our pipe sleeve, just like so.